Hey guys, this is the Jessica and Darcy show. We are about to play Boom Pow. We're gonna kill each other.
Yeah. Okay. Ready, Darcy?
No! Oh, go on.
Ow! Doesn't hurt.
Yes, it does. I'm not the black belt. You are. Ow! You cannot use your feet. You cannot kick. You have to just use your hands, and you can't hit face.
Gotcha.
Ow! Ah! What are you trying to do?
You go to the ground.
You go to the ground.
It'd be better to teach them the black belt skills.
I'm dead.
1,
I'm
2,
dead.
3.
What? No, not me.
Bad